Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will do unboxing for my new Hähnel universal flash accessory kit for Speedlite. I guess I'm pronouncing the name correctly, Hähnel. So this is the box. You got a 6 separate flash accessories included here. So these are the pictures, looks like. I bought this one from Jessups in the UK. It was $34.99. Seems like a good value for money. I never used this type of things before for my photography. It will be interesting to see how it works and what kind of result I can produce with this one. So let's do the unboxing. So we got this one. Let's see what we have. We got this one. This is some sort of reflector, I'm guessing. Find out later. Okay, let me keep it in a side. This is, oh, okay, this is interesting. This is a softbox, some sort of. There you go. So the flash goes here. Flash goes here, and yeah, it's great. Okay, that's good. I must say the build quality looks really good. I mean, materials are very good. Right. Then the next one is a bounce flap, some kind of. Yeah, you got a Hähnel logo. Yeah, it's a bounce flap. You got some sort of yeah. I guess these will help you to tie up with your flash gun, right? These looks like filters. Yeah, color filter for Speedlite from Hähnel. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 type of filter. You got various color. Orange, green, yeah, full CT orange, half CT orange, quarter CT orange, full plus green, bright red, just blue, medium yellow. Yeah, looks like quite a lot filters you got. Okay, we're gonna open it later. Now you got some sort of honeycomb flash attachment. Let's see what is that. Right, some information leaflet. It's for thank you for purchasing. Register online. There's some QR code here if you want to do online registration. Yeah, okay. This one, what is this? Okay. So these, I'm guessing for these filters. Yeah, it's kind of a pocket. So, yeah, you can take these filters, put it in the pocket. Somehow, you will attach these black borders in your flash gun and do some creative lighting photography. And again, oh, it dropped it. Here a minute. There we go. Okay. And I think one of these will help you to tie this one with your flash gun. Right, okay. We're gonna see that one as well. This is interesting. Yep, this kind of attachment for your flash gun. I think this is the hot shoe. The flash gun goes here. This is I think this goes to the tripod. or monopod or any kind of pod you are using. Maybe it goes there. There's things here. What is this for? I don't know. We'll find out. Right. Okay. So that is the one metal attachment you got. Is pure metal. Right. And then it's nothing else. Right. So let's get rid of the box. And there you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, there's quite a lot actually. How many got? Okay, this I'll get rid of this one as well. So you got how many? These are the attachments you have. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why is it 6? Anyway, okay, doesn't matter really. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna see how this attachment works. So again, let's get to the box. So here's some pictures here that will exactly tell you what to do with this attachment. So first one is mini softbox. So which is this one, mini softbox. So as I said, your flash will be here, and that will give you a good soft light when you do the indoor photography. So that's the one attachment. The second one is color filters. There you go. 7 filters for color correction. 7 filter for color correction. So that's the filters. Let's see what is inside. How many filters you got? There you go. Quite a lot actually. There you go. There you go. So it's nice. So it's basically it's a piece of plastic. So there you go. We can actually see here now. So that's the original color, but that's a yellow filter. Original yellow. Right. So let's go to another one. Let's see this one, the blue one. Let's see how it works. So blue. Okay. What about green? What about green? Let's say green. There you go, green. Okay. There's some information here. I guess it's probably helpful. Full plus green, wavelength. Anyway, yes, I'm gonna find out what is it. At the moment, I don't have any clue because I never used these type of things before. So that is something new for me as well, to know exactly what is happening. What can I do with these things? Right. So as I said, this pocket sleeves is for the filter. So filter goes here. Keep dropping things. Yeah, filter goes here. Then somehow you tie this one with your flash gun using one of these, and then do some creative lighting. Right. Yep, this is, as I said, this is some strings. Oh no, sorry, not strings, some sort of belt that will help you to tie things. So there you go, that's gone. Now, what's the next one? Go down the color filter. This is the bounce flap. Yes, 17 by 14 centimeter, white and silver bounce reflector. Right. That's the bounce flap. There we go. Bounce flap. Again, so use this to hold it to the flap. Anyway, okay, we'll work out. Now the next one is honeycomb grid. Offers additional light control. Yep. So that's the honeycomb grid. Yeah. Then you have mini Snoot. 31 by 26.8 centimeter Snoot for light bunding. So though it says mini Snoot, it's actually pretty big. The way the Snoot works is we round it. Yeah, there we go. So round this one, your flash goes here, and then just shoot the light from here. So that will give a different sort of indoor lighting, and you can do a bit of creativity there, which is great. So that's the size, and it's actually not mini in that way. It's good, right? So mini Snoot looks like this. It's great. Then you have Speed-lite Holder, flash Speed-lite umbrella holder. There we go. So that's I'm thinking, what is this hole means here? So that means the umbrella goes here, umbrella stand. Again, it's a very strong construction. Build is very good. So this goes to the tripod. Your hot shoe is here, Speed-lite, and the umbrella things here, which is a bounce back the lights and everything. This works very well. Again, all the accessories looks like it's basically for indoor photography, and there's a lots of creative things you can do if you have a good Speed-lite, and you know do a bit of practice and experimental photography. So that is great. Now, so I must say that $34.99 this price and this amount of accessories is actually not bad. It's a good buy. As I said, the product quality looks very good. I never used this brand before, photography accessory wise. I went to Jessop's and I was looking for something, and then I found that this company, Hähnel, and at the moment there are lots of photography accessories and available in Jessop's, and this looks like it's very good quality and a good company for photography to create the photography accessories, produce the photography accessories. So the thing is, as I said, I never used this kind of things before. I'm gonna try it. Probably I will make another video, which in that time I can actually tell you how I'm feeling about this accessory kit and how I'm using it, and maybe I can show you some examples. What have I done with these accessories when I've done the photography, and we can share the knowledge. But in the meantime, if you guys, any of you used these accessories before and know about it, know how to use it, what kind of creative experiment we can do, please do share your knowledge with me. Put some comments in the bottom, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and hopefully I'll see you next time with another video. So take care, bye.